If you use a Windows laptop but have MacBook Pro envy, the Samsung Galaxy Book 6 Ultra could be the laptop for you. This is the pinnacle of Samsung's new Galaxy laptop lineup, best suited to creative professionals and demanding power users. To get it out of the way up top, yes, it looks a lot like a MacBook Pro. But is that such a bad thing? In the real world, most Windows machines don't stack up well to Apple's premium design, but this one gets pretty close by copying the MacBook look as much as it can. We're talking an all-metal build, a black keyboard set against a silver body, and a slim profile. But as they say, imitation is the sincerest form of flattery, and honestly, Samsung nailed the execution. It's thin, it's sturdy, and it only weighs 4.2 pounds, which is actually half a pound lighter than the 16-inch MacBook Pro. Where the Galaxy Book stands out is its display. This is a 16-inch 1800p AMOLED touch panel. It is vibrant, sharp, and plenty bright in both SDR and HDR content. Unlike Apple, the display here is a touchscreen. I know, touch is still not crucial for or even wanted by some users, but some shoppers do seek it out, so it is nice to have. Sometimes a tap just feels right in the moment. I heard it too. Samsung added an anti-reflective coating to the screen too, which helps eliminate some glare, but it's not immune to direct sunlight over your shoulder. Still, between its looks and specs, this display is a dream for media editors. Some of you discerning artists may want a 4K screen, but honestly, 1800p is probably enough for most pro shoppers. The Galaxy Book also has lots of connectivity, and it's not just a USB-C fest. While the laptop does have two USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports, it also comes with a full-size HDMI output, an old-school USB Type-A port, and even an SD card slot. As for the inputs, the keyboard is a bit too shallow for me. The keys have that flat feel without a lot of feedback, and if you're a heavy typist, you may feel them hit the bottom of the board consistently. But the haptic touchpad, smooth as can be. This is an area where MacBooks excel, and while it doesn't quite reach that level, it's superior to most Windows laptop touchpads. Now, for the components and price, another thing that, unfortunately, this laptop does have in common with the MacBook Pro. The base model costs $2,899, which gets you an Intel Core Ultra X7 350H processor with Intel Arc B390 graphics, 32 GB of DDR5 memory, and a 1 TB SSD. The model we tested and reviewed is similar, but it swaps the processor for a Core Ultra 7 356H and adds an NVIDIA RTX 5070 GPU for $3799. Those chips sound similar, but there is a key distinction. See, both of these processors are from Intel's latest Panther Lake generation, but the chip in the base model includes the Arc B390 integrated graphics. This is a serious boost over traditional integrated graphics, so in a creator-focused laptop, Samsung made that the baseline. But some people want more. Our model is pricier because it adds that more expensive NVIDIA GPU in its place. If you're a creative pro, you probably do want that NVIDIA upgrade. Let's jump into the benchmark results and show you why. I compared the Galaxy Book 6 Ultra with several similar Windows machines and a 16-inch MacBook Pro. Note that Apple's laptop here is an ultra-powerful M5 Max configuration with a load of storage, so it costs almost twice as much as the Galaxy Book. Not every MacBook Pro has to be this expensive, but its CPU and extra graphics cores in particular will make a big difference. On our processing tests, the Book 6 Ultra performed well against the field, leading the other PC laptops in the multi-core Cinebench test and otherwise hanging with the pack. Everyday tasks are a breeze on the Book 6 Ultra, and it's fast enough for heavy media workloads. The same was true on the graphics front. While thicker and heavier workstations or gaming laptops have even more muscle, these results show enough power for a thin and portable machine. The souped-up M5 Max of course tastes the cake, but you can see that Samsung's slim system is in line with another RTX 5070 laptop, and it's clearly much faster than that Intel Arc B390. These workloads are mission critical for media editors and content creators. You don't need to worry about the processing power here, and the RTX 5070 can handle demanding work, plus some gaming on the side. There are always faster options out there, but at least for Windows machines, few of them come in laptops as slim and nicely made as this. And the laptop's battery life is exceptional too. It ran for nearly 30 hours on our benchmark test, easily passing that all-day battery mark. More demanding tasks will, of course, drain the battery faster, so your miles may vary. So, what's the takeaway? If you're seeking a particularly luxurious laptop with enough power for processing and graphics tasks, the Book 6 Ultra is a sweet and expensive option. If you're the type of professional who would happily work on a MacBook Pro, but you need to stick with Windows, this might be ideal for you. For PCMag, I'm Matthew Buzzy, and I like mint chocolate ice cream. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives on products like these, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lab report.